Hi everyone, welcome to Wigs Philippines. Agustin. For this video, going to show you my new finished product. So this one, I'll try the back first para mas maganda. This wig is a fully customized wig. So dito talaga natin siya ginawa, everything. So this hair texture is silky straight, as in super straight na when you wash it. And it's in the color dark brown. However, today kasi pick up nito, so gusto ng client natin na naka-style ng big waves. But after washing, silky straight siya. Today is February 14, so I think they're going to use this sa kanilang date. Siyempre, di ba? It's a day for love, to celebrate love. So, here she is. Ang ganda niya. This one is a 5x5 closure. We use HD lace. The hair length is 24 inches. It's a bit longer than the usual na hair. So ito talagang full siya. It looks shorter lang because it has waves to it. But there, it's just so beautiful. I'll show you the lace part. Ayan. We use HD lace. Very, very natural looking. Napakaganda. Oh, I added some hair here at the back so that when you tie it up, makikita yung mga baby hair dyan sa likod. And even here sa sides, I put hair here. Where is it? It's not showing up. Yeah, it's not showing up. Ayun, it showed up na. Ayan. So that when you tie your hair, you'll have something like this. Para it's nice, diba? So at the back, ganyan din. So that when you tie your hair up, talagang everything will show. Ayan. Diba? It's just so beautiful. Alright, so if you need a customized wig that is fully perfect for you and also perfect for your needs, go ahead and message us here at Wigs Philippines Facebook page. That's www.facebook.com/wigsph. And just book your free appointment with me. I'll be the one who's going to assist you and we will discuss kung ano talaga yung kailangan ninyo from the hair length, the hair color, the hair texture, also the haircut. Everything can be customized. I can guarantee to you good quality hair, but yung fit perfect talaga and precise para talagang it would look very natural sa inyo. So again, my name is Agustin. Thank you for watching. Bye!